What are we doing?
We're gonna make a minnow trap out of a soda bottle.
Okay.
Okay. Show us how it's done. Okay. So right where your neck part meets that part, you want to just slice it. Now what do we do?
We stick it in this.
Take the cap off. You want a way for small fish to go in your funnel and into your trap. Okay, shove it like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes in. Then you put some bait in there. Submerge it. Then you got some fish.
Yeah.
Small bait fish or crawfish. I'll show you the other one that we made. Do you want to reach down here and grab it? I don't want to follow my camera.
So you want me to grab it?
Yeah, just pull it out. So we were shooting for crawdads with this one, but they took all my bait, so we made that hole bigger so they'd fit in, and just put some like ham or something in there. They ate all of it, but crawdad goes in. His shoulders are too big, and then he can't come out. It's a crawdad trap the same way.